Mantegena Nane ni atiro atilita KAANYA ka Inspector General GILBERT MASENGELI netirita kirita MUKANA kile ANDAMANI baraba keria kureta WINYANGIA bichine chedirikare bakyandamana ntuku yaro. MASENGELI augite oro kethiro gita GWITA tena bwa AKAJUKIRUA ENYANGIA ria KIWATHO Anthony Kathenya na ututariria nkuruki.
Kagita kala jenzi babanganiti maandamano mudhenywaro maandamano makolega na utongore bwa Rais William Ruto. Inspector munene wa polisi MUGWATIRIITE GILBERT MASENGELI nanenkanilite MUKANA kili balaba kubangane kwelekea maandamano mama benini biandege bunge garo ya rais na garo nini ja rais kile county nkorani.
We also wish to caution members of the public against contravening the Kenya Civil Aviation Act and Protected Areas Act by avoiding trespass of protected areas such as Jomo Kenyatta International Airport and State House lodges.
Kulingana na MASENGELI watho nibodenkanilite mwelekela wabule maandamano mabatele kuthithwa na bala bakathi kinyume na watho bobo bakajukire matagale marito makiwatho.
All those planning to exercise their rights of participation in public demonstration, presenting petition or assembling should do so in compliance with the attendant laws.
MASENGELI akiuga polisi ni babanganitie na batitikire mekareka mauka bere ala maandamano mama maithukiro nekinae na into janto kwa nangwa amona kuyewa amona ogu ne ulitia Kenya kwebana bidhurano bianto bidhurano bilia biomba kwithira bina andamani.
Already our intelligence report indicated that there are security threats to the country with criminal planning to infiltrate tomorrow's demonstration and commit further crimes. In anticipation, we have ensured adequate deployment of security personnel. However, members of public are advised to take extra caution while in crowded areas that are likely to turn riotous.
Inspector MUGWATIRIITE wa polisi GILBERT MASENGELI aliuga polisi bakaningatira watho bwa koti bole bolitie polisi batigatumira inyankiroki kiri maandamano mama. Aidha MASENGELI aliuga andamani baba nabo no mpasi bathingatire watho bola kubatelie
Matters court order we have to obey as per the court order, and also those going against the rule of law have to be dealt with as per the law. Fellow Kenyans, this country is all we have. Every one of us, therefore, has a responsibility to keep our country safe.
Mamuji muneno Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.